Hey guys, welcome to the 24th video. In this episode, what we'll be talking about is the span element. So many persons ask, what does it use for? The span element itself. The span element itself is basically used to select a little chunk of text to make them stand out in a group of text. For instance, in this coding here, this text you have here, for instance, you want to make here this area stand out in this entire text. The only way to do it and make it possible is to use a span tag. So using a span tag automatically means if you need to maybe make a text stand out, you select a chunk of it and use the span element by styling it. So let's just dive into our code. For the first paragraph here, let's select an area where we want to use a span. So I'll just start from this tool, open a span tag, give it a class, quarto, I'll give it underline, close it. Now we need to look for the area we want it to close up. Just before the full stop here, let's close our span tag, close it up here. So at this point, if you save and preview, you see that it is underlined here. The reason being that we already have a CSS called underline. That is why this text itself is underlined. But at this point, what you need to do, if the CSS has not already been written, let's just locate that underline. This is it, text decoration underline. We can decide to add a background color to it to make it very visible, red. If we save this and refresh, there you go. This text now is standing out in the entire text that is here. We can also change the color of the text by adding a color. Give it a white. Save it. There you go. Our text is looking good and pretty. We can even add the italic to it to make it slant, or whichever way. This is just how span tag is used. You can either style it using the inline CSS or use the external CSS. Either ways, it's good to go. Thank you, and see you in the next video.